gives you an opportunity to mentor the first year members.
I really wanted to continue my service to Rockland County and also further my leadership skills that I gained last year.
Environmental education has always been extremely important to me.
I was really interested in doing something that involved recycling because I think it's very important to learn about waste reduction, giving back to my community outside of my own personal needs and wants.
The goal is really to take all the waste that's generated here in Rockland County and provide alternative outlets for it. We also try to compost as much material as possible. Any waste that is not recycled, reused, or composted must go to a landfill, which is approximately 320 miles from here. So the more we reduce, reuse, recycle, the better it is for the folks here in Rockland County. We can also generate revenue on the sale of some of the materials, such as recycling, composting, or compost material, and that's a huge benefit for the people here in the county.
Basically, when I first came here, the problem was lack of maintenance and AmeriCorps workers not knowing where to begin. And by giving them a little bit of guidance and showing them where to begin, they've completely transformed this garden.
And it was such a big project to take on, but I think we made it even more beautiful. We put in a bird bath that was made from, just ceramic materials. We used weed killer that was organic and had no pesticides, so we wouldn't harm the plants.
And they've made it something that they're very proud of, and Rockland County now can be very proud of.
I designed a sundial this year to help out my other members. They came up with the plan. So it's basically a human sundial. You stand on a brick and it will cast your shadow and tell you exactly what time it is. The sundial is located in the native plants garden, which we hope will be used by the public in the future. There was a lot of recycling initiatives and environmental outreach and education.
I utilize them for our education and outreach program, which is great because we have over 300,000 residents here in Rockland.
A lot of people use plastic bags and don't realize how destructive they can be towards the environment. And if you use one of these, then you can prevent over 500 bags per year from being used and potentially ending up in our rivers and in our woods and disturbing the animals. We went to about 3 different farmers markets as well as some grocery stores to give out reusable bags to people and explain to them the importance of using them.
The 5 AmeriCorps workers that we contracted this summer accomplished the goals that we set out for them, reaching out to all our residents within the 5 towns. They went to supermarkets trying to promote people using reusable shopping bags instead of using plastic bags, bringing our bag monster to show the people the amount of bags that people use.
I would say that the door hanger project was probably my personal favorite project because we did get to go out into the community, and even though we weren't directly knocking on people's doors, we were leaving them a little piece of information that can help them with everyday recycling.
This year I designed a mural, which I hope will be seen by the public. I took various environmental aspects from the surrounding area, and I hope it draws attention to the public about the importance of the environment in general.
I learned a lot about community outreach and how to interest people in the things that are important.
Going out there and reaching out to the public and making sure that they have the knowledge that we have, we're making a difference.
The outcome has been tremendous. We have a lot of projects and programs that really wouldn't be able to get done without the help of these members. The members are highly motivated, very efficient, energetic, and they really help us take our message outside of the authority.
And it's very important to know how to talk to the public about important issues.
And just learn how to also work in teams. So I've definitely gained a lot of group work experience.
We did a lot of project planning, working in groups and teams. I mean, I have a lot of experience in that, but once you get all walks of life coming in, it's a little different.
And I believe that in a team, it's important that everyone utilizes their own special skills in order to further enhance a project or get things going. And I couldn't do anything this year if it wasn't for the AmeriCorps members that I worked with. Together we got a lot of things done, and it wouldn't have happened without them.